If you want to enable the hover menu on Image Hover in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. This is a quick but super useful setting that can make browsing and interacting with images much easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn it on, and if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu for Edge. From there, click on Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This section controls many of the visual and browsing related features inside Microsoft Edge, so this is where we need to be. Once you're in Appearance, scroll through the options until you find Browser Behavior and the Features. Click that section to expand or open it. Inside this area, Microsoft Edge keeps several useful browsing tools and interaction settings. Now look for the option that says Show Hover Menu on Image Hover. This is the setting that controls whether a small menu appears when you move your mouse over an image on supported websites. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings page right away. The change should take effect immediately, so the next time you hover over an image in Edge, you should see the hover menu appear. If you don't notice it right away, just refresh the page or try a different website that supports the feature. Also, keep in mind that some sites may behave differently depending on their own design, so the hover menu may not appear everywhere. And that's it. You've now enabled the hover menu on Image Hover in Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. It's a small setting, but it can be really handy if you work with images often or just want a smoother browsing experience. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.